everyone! So today we're going to be making some air dry clay ornaments, and I've tried to record this a bunch of times and I just kept running into problems. So hopefully I've got it down. I tried using a vinyl placemat. It did not work. This stuck so bad. I've never worked with air dry clay before, so I'm not sure if it's just this brand or all brands are super sticky. So I know Dollar Tree sold it at one point, so I'm going to see if maybe that one is not as sticky. I don't know. I have to go to the store. I tried using a silicone mat. You can see there's still pieces right there in the center of the heart that I wasn't able to get off. And then I tried using my glass mat from We Are Memory Keepers, and it got stuck to there too. So I figured out that parchment paper does work. And then I have my rolling pin here. So we are going to just roll this out. And then I had gotten some cookie cutters from a thrift store. So this was one of them, and this one works perfectly, which is this guy right here. So I'll show you. I just pressed him down along the edges, and then I pushed the little button to get the embossing, and then I kind of just like wiggled it and pulled the clay apart right now with it still in the cookie cutter. And then I just went to one of the top corners right here, and then I just pressed him out, and then he pops right out. And then I used a straw to poke a hole for the ornament. See, this one, I think I'm going to trash this. I don't like that. So then I just put a little hole right in the top of his Santa hat, and it got stuck again. The first time it worked perfectly. So what I did was I just stuck my finger behind it, and then it comes out like that. So then I just squeezed it out of the straw so I could use it again next time. I didn't like that snowflake, so let's try it again. So I bought a bunch of these embossing rolling pins off of Amazon. It was a whole pack. So I have that Merry Christmas, I have Christmas icons, and then I have an ugly sweater and snowflakes. So when I found out with using this one, it got stuck really bad. So I had to sit here with a toothpick and pick everything out. I even went and watched a couple of tutorials to see how other people did it, and they didn't mention anything. So what I figured out was I went and I wet this. So hopefully this is still wet enough that it will work right now on camera. So I wet it down, and then that's how I got that one right there, which is kind of hard to see. So we are going to try it again. Hopefully it has not dried out on me. And look, this parchment paper works perfectly, that it does not stick. So hopefully this will work. Let's try this out. And it did stick when I rolled it, and then I just had to kind of peel it off. Just oh so carefully. Oh no, it's sticking worse than the other time. Nope, it's not wet enough anymore. It's already dried in that couple of minutes. Nope, I don't think I'm going to be able to get a press out of there. Yeah, see, it's already starting to stick to the rolling pin. I don't know how other people did it. They made it look so easy in their tutorials. I don't know why I'm struggling. Let's see if I can get one out of here. That might work. If anybody has any suggestions, if you've made these or if you work with air dry clay, if you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. I would really appreciate it. I would love to get more of these made. I'm gonna have to check my stash. Like, we don't make cookies anymore. We used to a long time ago. So I might have more of these like little punch ones. And then when you take it out, you can just kind of pat it around the edge because there's like little like stringy pieces. So you could just go ahead and like pat it down to just kind of like tuck it in. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I figured I would share with you guys because I mean, maybe you guys have worked with air dry clay, or maybe you guys have some suggestions that I can do to make these come out better. Oh, see, that one came out. So I mean, other than getting more of these kind of cookie cutters, I don't know how to use these. So any suggestions, any recommendations, I'm super open to it. I would love your guys' feedback. I've never used this air dry clay before either, so I don't even know how long it's going to take for these to dry. So I'm just going to leave them out here in the garage for a couple of hours and we'll see how it works. But yeah, if you guys know of any better way to do this, let me know. Or am I using the wrong kind of air dry clay? Maybe that's what it is too. Maybe this is, I don't know, like for bigger pieces and not to be used with wood. I have no idea. Like I said, I was thinking about going to Dollar Tree, but maybe I'll go tomorrow and seeing if I could find their air dry clay, because maybe it's not as sticky. So, alright guys, that's today's video. Kind of quick, kind of not all that exciting, because I feel like it didn't really work unless I wet this down every single time. Maybe that's what I need to do, is get like a bucket out here and wet it down every time before I roll it, because they do come out really pretty if it would work. But I don't know how to get it to work. So, alright, bye guys.